Okay, so you want to edit some of the content on some of your standard pages on your website. To do so, you should find most of them under the Page Admin area. From here, you'll have a drop-down list of pages that are available in here, and other sections such as little headers and other areas. So we're just going to go on and click on the home page. In here, we can see when it's updated. We've got the current text located here, and we can apply certain styles to it. So including bold, italic, and underline, which are all toggleable, so clicking on them again puts it back to how it was. You can align certain selected areas of text, so to the center, left, right, or align to both sides. And just put that back to align to the left. You can insert horizontal rules by clicking where you want to have that on there, then entering it in there. Then you can delete those just by pressing backspace or delete around the area. You can turn text into bulleted lists. And again, those are toggleable, so you can have them ordered or unordered. Just press Ctrl-Z to undo this. And you can indent and outdent text, so you can indent it and again outdent it. If you want to, you can change the color of the text, so you can make it, one of the colors in the color palette, that will keep them as they are. And again, you can select text and choose the background color, but we'll leave that as it is, because you shouldn't really go changing the background color of your text unless you really think it's necessary. If you wanted to add enter a certain character which isn't immediately available on your keyboard, you can place the cursor where you need it to go, and click on this little box here, which will bring up a window of some special characters. So just add a copyright symbol there, and it appears instantly. You can also embed tables. So clicking on the insert table comes up with a prompt to ask how many rows, columns, the width of the table, whether it's either in percentage or pixels, the thickness of the border, and the cell padding and cell spacing. So pretty standard stuff. In Firefox, you can also edit the table afterwards by adding and removing columns and rows, which is quite handy. And each of these areas will just act as they normally would. Right, let's just remove that by clicking on the axis. Okay, you can also obviously insert the most valuable things, such as hyperlinks. Once you click on there, you will be presented with this dialog box here, and from there you can link to an existing file or an existing other page on the website, which you can choose from a drop-down list. Another website entirely, just enter in the full website address there. Just link to an email or a Google Map by entering a postcode, or if you feel the urge, a PayPal hosted button ID so you can take basic payments through your website. Then to create the link, just simply click create link and it will do that. Or you can always just upload a file which you can then select from your computer, and then it'll appear in here so you can preview the document or remove it if you realise you've uploaded the wrong file. Okay, so let's just close that for a second. We did select both NHS. And let's just create a quick link in there. Okay, so you can see that text is turned blue and underlined, indicating that it's a link. But you might all of a sudden realise you don't want to use that. So you can always cancel that link by clicking remove link. There we go. You can also embed images into your documents by clicking on the little image icon there. Again, it's a similar sort of layout. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can choose from images which you've already uploaded. And set some values to it, whether you want it to float to the left of the text, so the text wraps around the image, just have it straight in the middle, so it's just there, or float it to the right of text, so text wraps around it to the left. You can also set the image size, basically in small, medium, or large varieties. Giving the image a valid title is always good. It helps with search engine optimization. And as long as you name the images correctly, then it's always going to be handy for your users. You can then also set some other values, such as the image padding, if you wanted to pad the image out for any reason, or just give it a set padded border, and whether or not you want it to be a clickable thumbnail to an enlarged view. Okay, so we'll just use that image, middle medium, refresh tweet icon, that'll do. Confuse image. And you can see that's then appeared inside the document. And you can, if you want to, resize the image from inside here, although you're still going to be using the same original image. So if you rescale it up, then you might find that it's blurry around the edges, so you'd be better off using a larger image. Okay, let's just remove that, and you can also embed YouTube video, which is, again, quite simple to do. You just need to find the video ID for the YouTube video, which is usually inside the URL, and just copy and paste it into there, and then you can embed the video into YouTube. So you should see in a moment a big black box which indicates that there is a video inside there. Okay, and then when we click Update Text, then updates that page, and it's all instantly updated on the website. If you are familiar with HTML, then you can always dive under the hood and view the source code behind here, and edit it inside there, or copy and paste it across and in from your favourite text editor, which can be handy for advanced users. Anyway, that's how to update the page admin, and it's something that's used across some of the areas, including the blog area, and maybe some custom ones for your site. Okay, that's all. Thanks very much for listening. Bye bye.